Hi guys, welcome to math class. Now, I have a confession to make. I'm recording this on a day that is super hot. So I'm gonna make this video really short. All right, so if you have other questions for me after you watch this video, let me know. If you need like a little help video, personalmente for one of the problems, I'd be happy to do that, okay? So today's lesson is about a line graph. This is lesson 125 on pages 249 to 250. So let's look at the box at the top. It says 1 point represents both the across and up numbers. So if you see on my graph back here, we have numbers that go across and numbers that go up. So números that go this way and números that go arriba. So we want to represent those numbers just with 1 point. So let's say the point 3, 2. Well, when we put our numbers on the graph, we start the first number that you see. So the primer número will be the number of spaces across. The segundo número is the number of spaces arriba. So we go like this. We contar. Now you can see how I have the thick yellow lines, but then there are also some little gray lines in between. So each of those gray lines is 1. Each of the yellow lines we can see goes by 5s. So to count to 3, we start with the 1s. 1, 2, 3. Then we count 2 up. 1, 2. And that's where our point is, right there. Okay, let's try another one. 5, 10. Well, we go over to our 5 and we go up 10. So it would be right there. And we place our point. Just like that. Super simple, right? Let's try one more example. 12, 6. So let's see, we go over 5, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Now we want to count up 6. So go up to the 5, one more little line, 6. So our point would be right there. Super easy, right? That's all you have to do. So you go across first, then you go up. So look at number 1 on page 249. It says plot these points on the line graph. So letter A says 1, 1, across 1, up 1. So on your graph, that's what you'll do. I'm going to keep these points just to show you. Okay, so for letter A, you go over 1, so there's 1, and up 1, up 1. You're going to put your dot, but you also need to label it, okay? Oops, you can't see that at all. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you need to label it. You won't be able to label it on your dot like I am, but I can't write on my graph. You can. So escribir la letra A. Still can't see it, but that's okay. Write escribir la letra A al lado de su punto. Then letter B, 2 across, 3 up. Letter C, 3 across, 5 up. So put that on your graph. Then number 2 says use your ruler to draw a line connecting the points. Then exercise 3, write the times. Exercise 4 says write the estimated sums. So look at each one. Find, for letters A through C, you want to estimate to the nearest 10. So 17, is that nearer to 10 or to 20? 22, is that nearer to 20 or 30? Then you add it together, you add your 10s. So for example, 17 is closer to 20. 22 is also closer to 20. So 17 is 20, you estimate it as 20. 22 you estimate as 20. 20 plus 20 is 40, and that's your answer. Okay, so así. Letter D, you have to estimate to the nearest 100. Number 5, write the mixed numbers for these figures. So look how many formas you have that are totally colored. That's your whole number. Then you look at your forma that's not totally colored and make your fraction from that. For example, in letter A, you have 1 circle that's totally colored. So for that circle, your whole number is 1. Then you have 1 circle where you have 1 piece colored out of 3 total pieces. So that's your mixed number. So do the same thing with the other letters. Turn your page over, page 250. Number 6 says add or subtract the mixed numbers. Number 7 says use the reference temperatures to help you choose greater than, less than, or equal. If you don't remember the reference temperatures, so the boiling point and all of those things, that's okay. Ask me for a picture if you need a picture, and I will send that to you, a picture of the reference temperatures, okay? So for example, letter A, 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Celsius. Well, 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the boiling point of water. Is 100 degrees Celsius the boiling point of water in Celsius? Yes, so those temperatures are equal. Number 8, you're going to divide and check. Number 9, solve and check the equation. So you need to start with your parentheses, 17 minus 12, then multiply that answer by 4. Then you can solve for n. Number 10, follow the signs. Then then the brain booster, what would you wear if the outside temperature was 37 degrees Celsius? What would you wear if the outside temperature was 37 degrees Fahrenheit? Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you guys have a great day. Again, if you need any help whatsoever, just send me a message and I would be happy to send you some extra help, okay? All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.